And the last ticker that we're going to talk about is going to be Nvidia, because a lot of you have been asking me about this over on Twitter, and I actually do have a short position open. I almost opened another one today, but I held off a little bit. You guys can see here, we're going to just go back and replay, and we're going to look at Halloween. We see this move down. We shorted actually Nvidia this week, which is a very, very good short. But after bouncing off of this major bullish block, we came right up through the 200 SMA. I was expecting a potential rejection, but we continue to move our way up into that 464 level. Now, we do have earnings coming up on the 21st, which is really going to be the catalyst to push us up into the 500s or retrace us back to 380. As we saw this resistance level, this is where I thought the time to go short is solid. We have a big money block sitting here, as well as a secondary big money block. If we take our Fibonacci retracement level, you're also going to see that this is right around where our 0.76 Fibonacci level was. So I started a short at about 460. Then we see this push right up through, face rips, and then today I said to my private team, everyone who's in the community, what's up? First of all, just shout out to you guys. But I said, I think I'm going to go short with another position for December 15th, and then I actually retracted that statement. I didn't end up getting the put that I wanted. I still have a December 15th put, but I was going to grab another one. And I said instead I'm going to wait for the move up to 490 or 500, where that last order block is. So if we get a continued run up to 500, I'm probably not going to short. I'm not going to add another one. I was thinking about adding another put, but to be quite honest, with earnings coming up, there's no reason to average down into a short, into earnings while the stock is moving up for fundamental. Like, there's just no need to do that. The risk versus reward is worth a short right now, but hammering too much capital into that trade for just the fact that the risk versus reward is good is not really worth it. And that's, a lot of the times where I have to check myself, even after doing this for 9 years. So what I think is probably going to happen, if earnings weren't here, I'd expect the rejection and at least a move back down to 444, maybe the price gap down at 420. If I had to bet on earnings, I would think that we're probably going to pull back down to 400 bucks. I think that this company is phenomenal long term. I think it's definitely overvalued. I do think that this is such a disruption company, and even looking to, like, we're not even going to talk, we can talk about the AI possibilities and the future and everything for this company, but in general, like, I don't like shorting something that's fundamentally on a good move up, but I do believe that we are due for a pretty significant pullback, but we'll see. I mean, the weekly, if they come out with earnings, they smash, they give good guidance, could see it up at 550. And I'm cool with losing money in that situation. I'm cool with taking the capital, putting it towards that, letting it play out, and seeing what happens.